Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're actually going to be doing the water pump and the valve cover gasket on the hatch. And as you can see, yeah, she's leaking pretty bad right there. And it's just a small little leak on the water pump side, but good thing mine doesn't have power steering, so it's going to be pretty much easy access throughout this whole thing. Let's go ahead and get started on jacking up the car. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna actually be using and what we got. We got a belt, alternator belt. Might as well just change it. I'm not too worried about the AC one right now, but I'm gonna check first, see if it's cracked. Sorry guys, that dumpster's right there. Got a breaker bar. We got this tool you get at your local O'Reilly's as well. All right, so we got the Felpro valve cover gasket from you get it anywhere at your local O'Reilly's or anywhere. Then we got the water pump and timing kit. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the timing belt as well, and then just the tensioner and stuff. This pretty much comes with basically everything. This is also from O'Reilly's, and they actually have a Gates belt in there, which is actually pretty cool. But yeah, and then we got that just to hold the coolant. But yeah, let's go ahead and start by draining all the coolant. All right, when you guys do this, don't be like me and leave the damn cap on, because there's still pressure or vacuum pressure or whatever. Yeah, I am no professional. So if you want to follow what I'm doing, you could do it, but you guys are just watching my journey on doing shit by myself. So now that we got all the coolant drained, let's go ahead and start getting the valve cover off. Yeah, so we got to get these. There's these 10 millimeters, throttle cable, these plugs out of the way. Yeah. We needed something, grabbed it. Good thing I don't live far. But now we just walking back to go work on this. So yeah. Guys, there's an eclipse. Wow, the things you see. Nice. Time to bring out the haters. Let's see. Shout out to Jorge, the homie Jorge. Let me use his Milwaukee half-inch drive impact. I did skip a couple steps. You guys are supposed to take off the wheel. I know I didn't show you guys that. I'm sure enough every single one of you knows how to take off a wheel. But peep the socks. Oh yeah, you already know. Peep the shoes. Oh yeah, Snoop Dogg. But yeah, you also have to take that mount off, drop it a little bit, you know, give you that little angle. Let's go ahead and pop this mount off so we can bring this down a little bit more, because I don't think I'm getting a good grip on that. And look at this. Look at that, all that leakage. Crazy. So peep this wrench, guys. This thing is actually pretty sick. Got it from Harbor Freight. Damn, dude. Who the fuck tightened this? Fucking Hulk? Shit. So we got it out. Did get ahead. Let me go ahead and tell you guys what I did. So there is a 14 millimeter bolt right here that's going to be holding onto the water pump, which is underneath that, and it's this piece right here. And yeah, you're gonna have to take that off. You're gonna have to get this 12 millimeter, loosen it so you get that belt down. But yeah, we should just be able to do that. And yeah, do pretty much the same thing with that one. And this is a 10 mil. So yeah, you just loosen that. And this, I believe, was either a 4. It was probably like a 14 mil, 12 mil. There's a little bolt. But anyways, now that we got that off, we go ahead and pull it off. Finally. Jeez. Should be able just to... Huh. That was really pretty easy, actually. Wow. 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 Whoever put this on. Stay away from cars. Shit. Damn, dude. They didn't even put this on right. We got little 10 millimeter bolts. Got one right here. One right here. One right there. There. That one. Let's get started on taking all those off. And then once we get those off, we go ahead and pop this thing off. Yeah. Now that we have the cover off, you could definitely see it's a whole lot of that. Yeah. All right. So next, after you get that off, you're gonna want to take that 10 mil for that crank position sensor. You guys got that done. We go ahead and loosen up the tensioner, which is just a 14 mil. You pretty much just slide this bad boy off like so. Just like that. So it doesn't look worn at all. Actually, it looks brand Mitsubishi in a Honda. What the f? All right, I'll keep it as a spare. Let's go ahead and get started on removing that water pump. Yeah, let's go ahead and start removing that. Now that is off, and as you saw, that thing freaking leaked everywhere. If you guys saw it, but should have expected it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the new O-ring on, the new gasket. If you have Honda Bond, just go ahead and dab some up right there, dab some up in the corners. You know, just make sure it's nice and secure. But I'll get back to you guys with the finished product right after I'm done with everything, because my phone's about to die and I'm just trying to get this done. Sun's going down, car is still on jack stands, so yeah, this should be done right now. All right guys, we got the bottom all settled. I ended up putting that belt because why not. I ended up putting a new belt on that alternator one, but yeah, everything's pretty much done. Now let's go ahead and get that valve cover on. All right guys, now that we're finally done, we go ahead and bleed the system. I also want to say shout out to homie Alex for this I forget what it's called. He knows what it is, but shout out to him. The light comes in clutch, for real. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour it in there. and then let the bolts come out by themselves. So, oh, I totally forgot one last thing. Wow. Come on, Yar. The fuck? Come on. Sorry, I forget. Sometimes you just want to push. Like, sometimes you want to squeeze the hoses just to get, you know, just get it nice and flowing even more. I don't know what I'm even fucking saying. Don't even listen to me, bro. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy me doing this. We're gonna get some new rubber put on the hatch. Damn. Yeah. I know it's the next day, but hatch is running good. She's happy. And now she's gonna get some new tires. These are just some cheap Amazon tires, you know, nothing special. Yeah. All right, guys, we got the car over here. We got my shout out to my brother. He's the one doing this. So, hell yeah. There he is. Yeah. Guys, ever seen the hatch on the lift? Me neither. Damn, guys, Mr. Speedy Gonzalez, he got this shit done hella quick. We got this. We got the new rubber on. Looking good, looking fresh. My brother over there looking good, looking fresh. Hell yeah. Oh shit, dude. He's got the angle. Big thank you to my brother again. Like, he saves me so much money. I really appreciate it. He even hooked it up with some Honda hubcaps. You know, dang, dude, it looks a lot. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment down below anything. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.